From the rolling hills of Lawrence County, Tennessee, this is Hoyt's Kitchen with Hoyt and Susie Tidwell.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Hoyt's Kitchen. This afternoon we're going to make an old-fashioned egg custard pie. This is on request by some lady, I think she's from, I'm not sure, but anyway, she requested it. It's on page 137 of her cookbook. So first of all, I'm going to wash my hands, get my hands good and clean. And
oh, he's doing that. I've got this new gadget. So,
well,
let me see if I can move this around. Whoop, wrong way. Whoop, wrong way.
Susie's
Yeah.
got her new gadget.
Yeah, see, look. I can show you all what all he's doing
Okay,
here.
first of all, it says 1 egg white. It says coat the pie shell. We gotta have a deep dish pie shell, and we're gonna coat the the pie shell.
That's the only brush we had.
That's the only brush we had. Coat the pie shell with the egg white, and it keeps it from, what did it say? It keeps it from becoming soggy. So we're gonna coat the. It's hard to get an egg deep dish pie shell that is not broken. So I went through about a dozen before I found one this good. So anyway, we're gonna call that good. Then we're gonna
Get that excess off there.
whoa, whoa, well,
Okay.
that won't hurt nothing. All right, we got that coated pretty good. We'll put this over here and be just. Then we got preheat the oven. Then it says set aside in a bowl, combine eggs. Gotta have 3 eggs. I want everybody to like me and subscribe to me on YouTube and watch me on Facebook. And okay, there's 3 eggs. So we're going to dispose of those, and we're going to use our little gadget here to alright, we got our eggs beat up. We're going to put them in our bowl. Put this in the sink for Mr. Hoyt to clean up. Alright, in the bowl, combine eggs, sugar, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 tablespoons, so that'll be 3 half tables. That's 1 of all-purpose flour, 2, 3. All right. And then it's a teaspoonful of, 1 teaspoonful of vanilla, my daughter just brought this back to me. Well, it's from Mexico. They went on they flew down there, didn't they, back? All right, it says
Yes, they do.
mix all this together. Then I got my milk over here on the oven. It says 2.5 cups of scalded
Stove.
milk.
He's got it on the stove in a pan.
I've got more cookbooks. If anybody's interested in a cookbook, we got plenty. We just got an order in. We're working on another cookbook. Everybody that got a cookbook that had them index cards in them, go ahead and send me a full recipe if you don't mind. Me using them in my next video. Suze, you want to read the scripture while this is getting ready?
I do. If you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask whatever you want and it will be done for you. I keep on saying it. It's in John 15:7. Ask him what you want and it'll be done for you. I keep on telling.
I can't think of any more powerful words than that.
I know.
Oh,
If you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask whatever you want and it will be done for you.
all right.
And all you have to do is, if you truly believe his word, ask him.
It says, blend well, and then blend in scalded milk, pour into pie shell. So we're going to pour in the scalded milk. Then we're going to pour it in the pie shell.
Your cup runneth over almost, so to speak.
Well, yeah. But and it says sprinkle with
Nutmeg.
nutmeg. So we're going to sprinkle with nutmeg.
Sorry, folks.
Where's that pie?
The cookie sheet.
Yeah, cookie sheet. Well, it's on the bottom, I think. Though.
I'm sorry?
I said it's on the bottom, I think. Now, if that don't look good, here, slide this. You can get in the. Alright, we're gonna put it in the oven.
I'll show you my pretty flowers that he got me for Valentine's Day.
Alright, it says let it bake for 40 to 50 minutes.
Whoops.
40 to 50 minutes, 15,
Aren't those pretty?
40, 30, 20 after. 20 after. Aren't them some beautiful roses for my wonderful Miss Susie? So, here in about 40 minutes, we're
I know I'm probably spinning their heads off.
No, we're gonna take a look at it in about 40 minutes. We'll be back with you. Thanks. Well, we're back in Hoyt's kitchen about 50 minutes later than when we put the pie in the oven. So it's ready to come out. We're gonna break it out here and show you what the custard looks like. Oh boy, look what a pie. I'm telling you. Look at that, baby. Can you zoom in on that?
Hang on.
Zoom in on that egg custard pie.
Bring it.
Okay, we're gonna sit him right here. Sit him right here. The only way that I can do a better pie shell, that came from Walmart and every one of them's busted, but I could make a better pie shell than that. So next time I make a pie, I'm gonna make a pie shell.
Mm-hmm. That looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna let it cool. We're gonna let it cool and we're gonna have us an egg custard. So if anybody wants this that don't have a cookbook, they can buy a cookbook at they can call me at 931-629-4869 or go to my website, and it can be found on page 137 for those that have a cookbook. So I ask everybody to follow me on Facebook and follow me on YouTube and subscribe to me on YouTube. So we're gonna sign off and say thank you for watching. You keep watching and I'll keep cooking. God bless you.